crippled Germany's war production and devastated her transportation systems. They even served their own ends too, in that the German petrol shortages became so severe that the Luftwaffe eventually was hard-pressed to keep what few planes it still had in the air to fight them. Here is what the mission was all about, what the B-17 was all about, the bomb drop. Lighter and faster without their bombs, the returning 17s were still prey for German day fighters, with only the gunners for protection.
There's 4 of them, 1 o'clock high.
They're coming around. Watch them.
Too fast, 6 o'clock up, coming in, diving out, Chief.
B-17 in trouble out of 2 o'clock, watch it.
Got an engine on fire.
Despite the efforts of the gunners, for very many planes, the protection they could give was ineffective against the excellent German fighters.
3 planes, 9 o'clock, coming around. Keep your eye on them, boy.
Because of the weight of the ammunition, the bombers normally took off with about 500 rounds per gun, slightly more for the rear gunner. This meant that there was about enough ammunition for the gunners to fire for 1 minute.
3 o'clock. Motor smoking. Fighters 10:30 coming around.
10:30 up or lower? B-17 out of control at 3 o'clock.
Come on, you guys, get out of that plane. Bail out.
There's one. He come out of the bomb bay.
Yeah, I see him.
Even badly damaged, the strength of the B-17s often brought them home. Perhaps the 17's greatest asset was its ability to take the flak and survive.